Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute pumpkin frame. I got this idea from my friend Emily at Burlap Kitchen. You'll have to stop by her page and check out her version of this. So I'm starting off with this frame that I got at Goodwill for 99 cents. It's a 5x7, a small grapevine wreath, some Spanish moss, some ribbons of your choice to make a bow, some scrapbook paper that I got at either Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I can't remember which one. And I'm going to use a flathead nail for the stem of my pumpkin, but if you don't have one of those, you can very well use a stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull the frame apart. I'm going to take the backing to the frame and lay it on my scrapbook paper and trace it out. Then I'm going to cut it out, and then I will Mod Podge it onto the backing. And how adorable is that already? Next, I'm going to take my small grapevine wreath and I'm going to run a bead of glue around the back side of it. Then I'm going to hot glue that just above the bottom, right onto the scrapbook paper. Next, I'm going to add my flat nail as my stem, and this is where you would put your stick or whatever you're using for your stem. How adorable is that? Next, I'm going to take a little bit of Spanish moss and I'm going to glue that right on the top of it, right around my stem. How adorable is that? Next, it's time to make our bow. So I took my ribbon and my scraps of fabric. I decided about how long I wanted it to be, and then I cut 2 pieces of each. I used some lace that I had. I used some buffalo check orange ribbon, some buffalo check black and white ribbon, and a couple of strips of muslin that I had, and some raffia. So after cutting all my strips, I'm just going to crisscross them on top of each other, then lay the raffia on top, and then I'm going to tie it together with a piece of twine. And now that I have it all together, I just trimmed it up. And I thought it was looking a little plain, so I decided that I was going to add a button to the center of it. So I had this little orange button, and I just glued that to the center. Then I'm going to hot glue that right underneath the stem of my pumpkin, right on top of the Spanish moss, and then this project is done. Of course, you can embellish it any other way that you want, but I really like the simplicity of it, and I thought this turned out super cute. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope it inspired you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sign up to get text alerts so that you'll never miss another DIY.